What's going on, you guys? We're back with another video. Today's video is it's not simple, but it's easier. I ended up purchasing a Jordan Distributors push to start button. This is everything that came with it. There's a button, the relays and stuff. I'll time lapse most of it. They have a detailed video. It's pretty simple. It's just taking off a bunch of plastics and then reconnecting this. But I'll link their video and we'll get started with that. I also purchased a kill switch, but I will install this off camera just for safety reasons, because I don't want to put that out. But yeah, let me get all the tools. I'll set you guys down and we'll get a time lapse going. Okay guys, so I just took everything off. So in their video, let me show you guys. In their video, you have to take off these, it's easier with a quick release. But there's these, let me see if I can get it to focus. Those little, let me see. It's not a bolt. That piece and the other one, oh my god, it's so hot. Jesus. You guys basically have to chisel, you get a chisel and a hammer and you smack those off. It's not that hard, but since my ignition piece is broken, as you guys can see, I am not required to take those off. So I will be skipping that part. But in the videos that they put, you guys will see it. It's all detailed and everything. So I basically get to skip a step. But now I'm gonna disconnect the wiring so we could connect it and get this ignition switch off. So yeah, let me get the pieces and we'll get started. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, I finished putting everything. This is what the car now looks like. There's a push to start button, so you guys can see. Now we will try it out. So let me get the key fobs, then I'll show you guys. So I will probably make a bracket for that the ignition switch and everything. I'll see if I find anything, but as you guys can see, here are the key fobs. So what you're supposed to do is you pass it by where you put the little halo angel. You scan it, beeps twice, foot on the brake, that's a neutral, and then you should be able to start. So there's the ignition 1, and then you press it. Oh, sorry, ignition 2. Oh, sorry, clutch in. Oh, I think I locked it. 1 second. Oh, it just takes longer. But as you guys can see, it works perfectly fine. And then that's what it looks like. Turn it off, you just push the button again, and that's it. And then you lock it. There, it's locked. Beeps 1. It beeps 1. One beep means that it's locked, and then 2 beeps means that it's unlocked. So I'll show you guys again. There it goes. It's unlocked. Put on the brake. Then you guys see it starts. So let me turn it off so you guys can hear me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I will install the kill switch off camera just for privacy reasons. But yeah, I plan on getting some better lighting and maybe get a smaller tripod, because I got this big one which is good for some shots but not all of them. So I'll get better lighting and a smaller tripod just so it's easier to record, or I'll just ask my girlfriend to record for me. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.